Hey family, welcome back to Lightworks. I hope that you guys are having a blessed and positive day. If you happen to watch the last full read, the urgent read, um, you know that our spirit guides, mine and yours, are urging us to fall back, to be obedient, and to tap in and um, take a break, okay? Rest. We had that coming up in the reverse, and I am going to have to be obedient and um, take a break. So I love you guys very much. I am just going to have to get into prayer and stay connected, and I will be back when I'm instructed to. I don't feel like it should be a very long time. Um, I will post my Sunday morning message and prayer scripture tomorrow morning because that's important. But I'm going to be in this getting my spiritual tune up per se, okay? So I love you guys. I just wanted to tap in and give you all a heads up on that. So don't be alarmed. Um, yeah, just have to be obedient. Right now, there's so much spiritual warfare and drama going on all around us, and it's very important that we're taking care of ourselves and keeping up with our spiritual cleanses and practices and staying grounded. And that is what is most important right now, and my guides and ancestors are on my head. So I must be obedient. I love you guys very much. Know that you are loved and protected, and I really appreciate you guys and all the support. And I hope that the messages are getting out to the right people and that they are helping you guys. So until next time, peace and blessings. Ashe.